Hi everyone, welcome to our channel. It's My Life Philippines.
Hi everyone, today already January 2 and we go to SM City Clark with Shira right now. What I want to do in SM City Clark. Before I bought a new iPhone, but my old iPhone is 13 Pro already have eSIM, but I don't have QR code. And I want to try transfer eSIM from old phone to new phone, to new iPhone, and smart store in smart in SM City Clark. We already been before, and we said you go to after New Year because not available right now. And also I want to try this is small camera nano. And I don't know about quality. It's first time use this camera. So I just bought this camera in Christmas discount. I will not use display mode. I will use only camera. Display mode I will put on my back. I will try to how to this camera working in the same City Clark. I don't know about quality. Today rainy day, and today first day of a ban of electric bike. We not allowed already go to MacArthur Highway. Yesterday empty road, of course it's 1st of January, but today second day. People already go to work. First working day. Shira, today first working day? Shira sleep. Of course traffic now in SM. Full parking, that's why we will go to pay parking, metal parking. Shira prepare coins already, 30 peso, yes Shira? Yes, no, don't have space here. Yes, 30 peso. Hello. Thank you. Third floor have only little bit space. But Shira cannot wait, she go to already to CR in SM. That's why I meet with her in the entrance in SM. This is terminal, Jeepney terminal, going to San Fernando, SM Pampanga. First working day in the Philippines. Many people right now. Need to find Shira. Where Shira? Yeah, so many people. Oh, Shira already here. Okay, let's go to SM Clark. Today work until 9 p.m. What is this movie? New movie? I use right now Nano. DJI Nano. I don't know about quality. Without display. And without microphone. Without external microphone. Only the microphone from DJI Nano. I don't know about quality sound also. What you want first, Shaira? Go to eat? And after eat we go into SM. Oi, SM. Smart.
Okay, what I want to eat right now.
You want it? Okay, where you want it?
What you want to eat?
For me it's okay, any. Where you want it? In Nassau? Many people in Nassau. Any? Food court or Singaporean restaurant? Singaporean? Okay, if available Singaporean, we can check first. Yes, take a look. I use display right now, separate, not in the camera. Outside rain, little bit rain. That's why in SM so many people. Ace Hardware. I think quality of a video not so good because it's camera not for dark. In SM now not so bright. Uniqlo have also discount today. Also discount. Oh, Cinnabon, many people. Maybe this one, this table is better. This. Yes, better. Because inside cold. Okay, need to choose. Okay, you choose first, Shaira. I know what Shaira want. She want to choose the same. Menu. Tray A.
Then one this one.
And one. Okay.
Some tray
Voila, it means don't have.
egg.
Don't have egg?
Anong pwedeng ano niya, kapalit? Don't have egg.
I will pay. Use my card. About 500 pesos save. Thank you. What, you want to something more?
No, I just seen some noodles.
What you want, Shaira?
Water.
Water. No ice, please. No ice. Hot is better, but if don't have hot.
You can sit there.
I already prepare for sit. Guys, what you think about this camera? If used without display, without vision dock, but it's good, it's small. Not pay attention to camera. Of course, nighttime I cannot use this camera, but daytime I think it's okay. Oh, we already have. It's for Shaira. For you, Shaira? For me? I don't like cola.
It's nice.
Yeah, this camera look good. Rice so many, but I don't want so many rice. I will try. I bought this camera for 15,000 peso. 15 or 15? Yeah, 15,000 peso. 128 gigabyte. Oh, this is magnet from the microphone. I not use. I bring two wireless microphone, DJI microphone, but I not use. I want to try microphone from this camera. I don't know good or not. It's for Shaira. Okay, eat Shaira. I know you're hungry because morning I eat a little bit breakfast. But Shaira long time sleep today. Where you been last night, Shaira? Drink. Alcohol drink. Where? Near home. Cousin home. Who? Australian. Yeah. He also our subscriber. Shaira give to me this. Look like. Yes, skin. You like skin, okay, you take skin. Chicken skin, not my. Okay. Yes, so many people today. I think more than 31, December 31. Today is so many. We're going to Smart right now. Cinnabon already don't have people. Oh, food court is full. Long time you not play in the Quantum.
Yes, long time.
Long time. Oh, Xiaomi. It's good. This is small. We have robot. Anker. It's Anker very good. I like Anker accessories. Lenovo, Legion, and this is DJI store. You can buy drone, Neo 2. It's good drone. Maybe I will buy later. And Smart. Good help. Okay. How many people in front, Shaira? Can I see? I don't know. I think maybe 20 person in the front. So we now transfer from one phone, from one old phone to new phone right now. I already transfer, very good. In Smart help me, they do it so faster. But first I want to say to you, what if you want transfer SIM card, eSIM, better prepare QR code. If you don't have QR code, you need to go to Smart. But if you have QR code, not need go to Smart. It's easy to do in yourself. So let's go to home. Need buy diesel in gas station. We're going to Mabalacat. Shaira don't want to walk in SM because cold for you.
Cold and so many people.
So many people you don't like, okay. Optical, take a look. Optical, so many people always. Discounts because. Shawarma. Popular shawarma in SM Clark.
My young sister like this one. But it's so bad. I can buy it.
You want to buy? Okay. Okay, I walk little bit here.
Or maybe you can buy me some like iced coffee.
Ice coffee chocolate?
Yes.
Okay. I will buy ice coffee chocolate for Shaira. In McDonald's. Oh, McDonald's, many people inside. Take out also. Hello.
Yes, sir.
Good ice coffee chocolate.
Iced coffee chocolate.
Medium.
Anything else, sir?
No, only ice coffee chocolate.
That's all, sir.
Yes. Thank you. Shaira already finished. He already bought. Should go to CR. She messaged to me. Yeah, in Nassau many people always. Ramen. Big lion.
You hold it.
I see so many people, that's why I'm waiting you.
There is more clean also.
More clean outside? Good. I think traffic now. But we will use Mabalakat Road, Shortcut Road. It's better. Third floor. Maybe low light video is not good in this camera. Lighting. Center of Mabalakat, also traffic, many cars, many people. Gas station 4810. But in Angeles 52.